Let me cover a couple other things that you need to put on your resume. Incident response and management. If you guys had a security incident, information was leaked outside the organization, or if you deal with classified, somebody had some classified information, it got leaked into unclassified territory, and everybody had to respond to see what's going on. If you've ever been hacked, and you were involved with responding to that incident, you can put that you assisted with the incident response team to clean up malware from the network. That's the kind of stuff you want to put on your resume. Boundary defense. If you've helped at all in any way with intrusion detection systems, any kind of protection system, any kind of help whatsoever, those kinds of things, you want to put that on your resume. If you've configured them, if you've installed them, if you've updated them. Vulnerability management. That's like whenever Patch Tuesday comes around and you've got to update all the systems and you're helping to manage all those systems. You know way more than you give yourself credit. You got to put it on your resume. This whole thing is about marketing yourself. I have another course that talks about walking you through building your resume and marketing the hell out of your resume. I've got another one that breaks down how to actually write and gives you some tips on how to find the language that you need to get a cybersecurity job, resume writing for cybersecurity. It's worked for me. I have not been without a job. By the way, some of this stuff is free. So sign up for my site on ConvoCourses.com, get some of the free stuff, test it out for yourself.